Hi everyone, my name is Hoyos and I'm a backend engineer at Babbel. I was asked to answer 3 short questions for you today, so here's the first one. Tell us about your journey to becoming a backend software engineer at Babbel. Well, about 2 years ago, I decided that I needed to change my job. I've been working in the same company for a few years, doing the same job for a few years, and I was very comfortable. Now, this might sound like an ideal plan to you, but for me, it wasn't enough. I wasn't challenged, I didn't see myself growing in the company, and I was stuck in a job that I didn't like and I didn't want to stay. So I went to a few meetups and I ended up doing a coding workshop, and I really like it. So I decided to quit my permanent job and enroll in a coding bootcamp. And after 9 very intensive weeks, I graduated as a full stack developer. And shortly after, I was hired at Babbel as a software engineer trainee first, and then they gave me the option to stay with them for a full-time position as a backend engineer. So the second question says, what has been your biggest professional achievement so far? Since the beginning, I've been doing volunteer work, teaching other women and girls to code. And I think it's very empowering that even I, being so new in the field, I can make an impact in some people's life. I can be an example to some other girls who maybe didn't see this as a future for their career development, and now they do. So I think it's very empowering that they have a role model, and they can hear stories from others that this is possible to make a profession in this field. So I'm very proud about that. And the last question, what tips would you give to anyone wanting to start a career in tech? Well, before I changed into this field, I also thought that developers were really good at maths and they were working with algorithms every day, and I soon realized that is not true. It's hard to learn to code, or at least for me it was hard to learn to code. I still think that I'm learning every day new things, but I really believe that if you want to do it, you can do it. It can get very frustrated at times. It can get hard, but if you really want to do it, you'll be able to do it. There are a lot of materials around you. The community is really open to take people, to mentor, to exchange ideas, to collaborate with each other. So I think it's a really good environment for you to grow as a professional. There are so many different things that you can learn, so many projects that you can join. So if you're sure about your decision, I'm pretty sure you will achieve. Thank you very much. Have a good day.